am Shinde DG. I welcome you to your YouTube channel that is Awesome English for Learners. Students, today I am going to teach you language study part 2nd. Yesterday, in part 1st, you have learned complete the words, punctuate the following sentences, make alphabetical order and make words. In the second part, you will learn question number 1a. Fifth, write the related words as shown in the examples. Question number 1a. 6. Complete the words chain of verbs. Add your 4 words each beginning with last letter of the previous words. It has 2 marks. Question number 1b. Do as directed. There are 2 questions A, B. Question number 2 A, B, and you must solve any A or B. Now look, question number 1A. Make meaningful sentences by using the phrase, or instead of this question you solve this, add clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. Question number 2A. Add prefix or suffix to make new words or make a meaningful sentences using any one of the following words. It has 1 mark. Now question number 1a. 5. Write the related words as shown in the examples. Students, in this activity you will be asked to write 4 words as shown in the examples. They can be nouns, verbs, adjective, adverbs or related to words given in the middle. Now here I have given some specimens. Now here look, means this is the first noun. If there is a noun, then you have to use adjectives. Yeah, if there is a verb, then you have to use adverbs or you have to write adverbs. In next specimen, now look here, Raj. Raj is a proper noun. Then you must write adjective, tall, young, handsome, brave, in this way. Now here, speak. Speak is a verb, and here you must use adverbs like speak fluently, clearly, neatly, confidently. In this way, you have to choose this question and write to get 2 marks. Here I have given some examples. These first examples. See, what is this? School. Means here school is a noun, but here beautiful, clean, famous, ideal, big are adjectives. And here in second example, walk, it is a verb, and blindly, carefully, calmly, slowly, these are adverbs. In this way you must attempt this question to get 2 marks. Then now next question number 1a. 6. Complete the words chain. Students, in this activity, one noun or verb or adjective will be given and identify the word and make words. Chain. Next words begin with the last letter of previous words of the same category. Now look here, complete the word chain of verbs. Means here they have given verbs and you have to complete, you have to write the words or verbs. For example, here is a specimen: eat, take, earn, narrate, end. In this way you have to write. Look at the second example, accept. The last letter is T. That's why you have to take. You have to write verb T. T. Use any verb. T-A-K, take. In the second example, accept. Accept is a verb. Just you have to take the last letter of this word T. Just you have to write T. E-A-C-H, teach. Then the last word here, H. You have to write H-U-G, hug. G. In this way, you have to write the words, write the verbs, and get 2 marks. In this way, I have given you some examples of the word chain. You must pause the video and write down. And every slide, I have taken one specimen. You read it, write, and do best and get 2, because it is easy question and every student get 10 out of 10 marks in language study. Just you have to pause the video and solve all these examples. These examples are more important. Students, in this way you complete your first question A. Now question number 1B, it has 2 marks. Question number 1A, make a meaningful sentences by using the phrase. Students, in this activity you are expected to frame meaningful sentence by using the given phrase. Here I have given some examples. Just here you read, pause the video and learn. The first, to be afraid of. To be afraid of means ची भीती असणे. For example, Meena was terribly afraid of dogs. In a flash, क्षणार्धात. For example, the thief disappeared in a flash before we could catch him. To run away, to be known for. These are all phrases, and in this way you must use these phrases in your own sentences and get 1 mark. Here you also pause the video and write down, learn by heartily all these examples as well as phrases. Then the next means it is or question, add prefix or suffix to make new words. In this activity you will be given 2 words and asked to make new words by adding prefix or suffix. You can make nouns out of other words by putting suffixes. Letters added at the end a word after the words also, and sometimes we have to make some spelling changes to the word before adding the suffix. Now here I have given some examples. Suffix meant. Here word retire, the new words with suffix using meant, retirement, argue, argument, commit, commitment, enlighten, enlightenment, announce, announcement. In this way, SION, John, confess, confession, expand, expansion, discuss, discussion, ANC, enter, entrance, assistant, assistance, perceive, persevere, perseverance, assure, assurance. In this way, you pause the video, write down all these suffixes and prefixes also. Here these are all suffixes. Now in next video you will learn language study. Students, do best, do by heartily all these things and get 10 out of 10 marks in language study. These marks in your hands. Learn by heartily. Once again, I thank you for watching this video. As usual, you must subscribe, like, share and press bell icon to get notifications. You will meet in next video. Thank you.